Soviets were too poor to use antibiotics, so what did they do instead? This is a bacteriophage. Basically, they would inject you with a virus specifically targeted bacteria. Now this sounds kind of crazy, but this was really common during the Soviet era because this was a lot cheaper than creating a whole bunch of antibiotics. Bacteriophages are fascinating. It's a virus that has specifically evolved over time to target bacteria, which means that this shouldn't be able to do anything to a human or any other animal that's not a bacteria. And most of these specifically target only one or two types of bacteria. Side note, in a lot of science stuff, I've seen HIV look like this, which is incorrect. This is a bacteriophage. HIV looks like this. But what's really cool about bacteriophages is in the future of science, because they're doing a lot of research on these for the future, because there's a lot of different applications. As they get more and more worried about bacteria that are immune to a lot of antibiotics, they can then use these instead. But there's lots of different applications possible in the future for these guys. It wasn't just the Soviet Union that used these. A lot of poor countries over the decades have actually used bacteriophages, and they're one of the coolest types of viruses that you can find in nature. While nowadays I'm primarily a historian, I was a scientist for a little bit, and I love biology and chemistry, and so this has always been a fascinating topic for me.